Hey, how's it going everybody? So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing as well as somewhat of a setup and installation video. So, what I'm going to be installing is going to be this TP-Link Kasa Smart Home Outdoor Security Camera. So, I have a lot of TP-Link smart home devices. I have some cameras. Those are technically indoor cameras. I also have some smart switches, and I don't have any light bulbs. I think those are LifeX light bulbs. But nonetheless, I found that this was actually going on sale, or it was on sale in Prime Day. So I decided, I was like, well, you know what? Let's go right ahead and grab it. All right, so let me go right ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here at my house. I'm not really gonna be deploying it here. I'm actually gonna be deploying it in my mom's house. So for right now, I'll just go right ahead and get it set up, and then tomorrow morning, I'll go right ahead and head on over there and install it. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this started. So right here, we have the Kasa Cam Outdoor 24/7 recording. So this device is 2K HD video supported. Color night view, which is okay. It's pretty interesting. And it is IP65 waterproof. Now, this also works with, of course, with Google and Alexa, but I don't think I'm going to be technically using that. All right, so here we have, of course, the whole view of what this also does. So, of course, we already went through this. It does have a live view from anywhere, so this is pretty cool because you can actually use the Kasa app to go right ahead and basically view in real time exactly what's happening. Now, you do have the option to go right ahead and save any footage on an actual micro SD card, so you could go right ahead and do that, or you could go right ahead and use a cloud storage service that TP-Link provides. And of course, we do have a see who's there, know what's happening as soon as the camera detects people passing by. So it's pretty cool. It gives you little notifications. Alrighty, well, let's go right ahead and get this open. Okay, so we have, of course, here we have some documentation on, of course, some steps on what to do for downloading the app, setting it up inside or also outside. So here we go. All right, some more documentation. And this is pretty cool. So you can actually use this little sticker to go right ahead and basically, if you're going to be mounting it on the wall, you could go right ahead and basically use this guide to go right ahead and do that. Here is, of course, the power brick that you're going to need to go right ahead and connect. So this one doesn't really have a built-in battery. You actually have to use it while you actually have it connected to power. So where I'm going to be putting it, it's not going to be a real issue. So, but yeah, you're going to need this power brick. We got, of course, the screws. So go right ahead and secure it. And I presume we have the camera itself. Oh, and all right, cool. So I thought that you were going to be, you had to basically connect this cable, but it's already connected to it. I thought it was just going to be like a micro USB that you had to go ahead and connect it to. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, so let me go right ahead and basically take this off. So it looks like you do have a status light right here. Looks like this is just for, I guess, the night vision mode. So you got that there, and you do have a speaker here. And I believe it, actually, you know what, if it's actually, now that I'm looking a little bit better, this is actually the status light, and looks like this is the microphone right here. And then this is a speaker. Over here, you can actually see where you can actually insert the micro SD card, as well as, I guess it's a reset button right here. So not bad. Let's see, what else can I do? Let me take this out. You are able to deattach it, and then of course basically use this little guide to go right ahead and mount it in any wall. So, all right, so that's exactly how you take it apart. This just basically has a little screw here, this right here. All right, so let's see. Actually, yeah, because I wanted to know what the flexibility is. So I'm gonna be able to technically arrange this somewhat how I want. Cool. So let's see, is this gonna be, yeah, this should be, I think this is going down, so you should have it something like this. Cool. And it looks like technically the USB cable is fairly long, so I think I'm going to be okay where I'm going to be running this. So let me go ahead and insert the micro SD card on this. Let me go ahead and get a screwdriver. By the way, so the card that I'm going to be using is this SanDisk 128 gig micro SD card. So I also got this one on sale. It's like, I think like for $10 in Amazon. All right, so I got the little cover open. So there it is. So you have, of course, the slot for the micro SD card and the reset button. I'm gonna go ahead and basically insert the SD card first. See, does it go this way? No, it doesn't look like it went that way. So let me try it this way. There it is. And there it is. So it clicked and it's ready to go. So let me go ahead and basically put this cover back in here. Now that I got that installed, let me go ahead and power this puppy up and let's go ahead and set this up. I got everything connected now. So you can actually see my screen right now. So I do have a couple of little smart home plugs as well as some cameras here. So let me go ahead and basically install this one. So let's go ahead and add it. New device. Here we're gonna go to camera. And you do see exactly two options. So one is the Kasa Cam Outdoor KC200. And then you also see the other one that's the KC420WS. So this model is going to be the KC420WS. So let's go ahead and select that. All right, so power up your camera. It's already powered on. Hit next. Yes, it is showing orange and green. So let's do that. So connect this device. See temporary Wi-Fi connect. Yes, connect. All right, sweet. So now I just switched over to the security camera. Okay, so right now we have technically all the options for the Wi-Fi access points. Now, right now I'm gonna go ahead and basically connect it to the guest Wi-Fi. It's gonna be the same when I go over there to my mom's house because technically both networks are somewhat similar. So as long as I set it up here in my house, when I go to my mom's house, it'll automatically connect. So let me go ahead and do that right now. All right. So now, okay, there it is. So now it's connected to Wi-Fi. So now I got to give it a name. So let's go ahead and do, let's just do, oops. Let me do outdoor camera. There we go. And then hit next. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try out that full color night vision. Let's see how that goes. But you can go right ahead and toggle between it. So you could go right ahead and do the infrared night vision and the smart night vision. So, all right, let me just go right ahead and basically hit on next. Activity notifications. Yes, enable notifications. Set location. So it's gonna be outdoor. Next. And let's do enable 24/7 recording. Okay, so here it's gonna, oh, there it is. So it's already capturing certain things. Okay, so let me go ahead and basically format the SD card. So hit next. Go ahead and format it. Format SD card. Okay, so now it's asking us to go ahead and mount it. So right now, like I said, I mean, I'm not really going to be mounting it today. I'll mount it tomorrow. So here I'm just going to I'll do it later. So there it is. Congratulations. So it's already ready to go. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, it's still trying to, oh, okay. Kasa Care free trial. No, thank you. All right. So now that we have this set up, so we have a little guide on what to expect. I already know kind of how this works, so I'm not really too worried about this stuff. So I'll just go ahead and hit exit. All right, so now if I actually go down here, we actually do see the outdoor camera. So if I click on it, okay, so now we can go ahead and basically set up an activity zone. For me, let's go ahead and, that's fine. I'll just leave it. I'll just do it like that. I'll edit it later on. You're all set, done. All right, so now I'm good to go. So you can actually basically see that the camera is capturing live right now. So there it is. Cool. All right, so this camera is ready to be deployed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and basically go to my mom's house tomorrow morning, and then I'll go ahead and basically set all this stuff up. So yeah, let's go ahead and technically forward to tomorrow. Alrighty everybody, so it's day 2. So right now I'm gonna go right ahead and basically install the camera. I already verified everything is working. Internet is technically connecting, or the camera is connecting to Wi-Fi. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and most likely put it somewhere over here in this corner. So what's gonna be facing is, of course, all the vehicles. So it's just gonna go right ahead and cover this area. So let me go right ahead and actually start, doing this. Go. So it's already installed. I already tested it. It is connected. I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how I cable manage this. So just basically zip tied it to this coaxial cable right here, and then just went across right here, and then there's the power. So I really couldn't capture some of the footage of just basically facing the camera, so I'll go right ahead and basically put some right here, just so you could go right ahead and see exactly how it looks like once installed. Alrighty everybody, well that is the end of this video. Like always, I really do hope you enjoy the content, and we will catch you on the next one.